Hi there, nurse students. Ever struggled to remember the types of heart murmurs? Well, I've got a trick that'll make it a breeze. Introducing Mr. Pass, your new best friend for acing those cardiology exams. M stands for mitral regurgitation. That's when blood flows backward through the mitral valve. P is for pneumonic stenosis, a narrowing of the pulmonary valve. A, that's aortic stenosis, where the aortic valve gets tight. The first S represents stenosis of coarctation, a narrowing of the aorta. And finally, the last S is for mitral stenosis, when the mitral valve opening shrinks. So next time you're listening to a heart, just remember, Mr. Pass is here to help you diagnose like a pro. Share this with your med school buddies and watch them ace their rounds.